Take a ride in the 2016 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, tow hitch, navigation system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Hyundai Certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.